Hi friends, this video shows how to check for software update or firmware update, then install it. So first we need to install Tapo app in this mobile phone. So here I already installed Tapo app from Google Play Store. Let me open Tapo app, tap on this icon Tapo. Then we need to add Tapo camera to this app. I already added this Tapo camera to this Tapo app. Here you can see the camera icon. Then tap on this me icon in bottom right corner. Tap on this me button, tap here, then tap on firmware update. So here it shows one firmware update is available for this Tapo camera model C210. You can see new firmware is available for the smart camera. So this is a C210 camera. So this app shows a software update is available for that camera. We can tap on this update button and install this software update, or we can tap on this update all. That way also we can install software update. This way we can check for new software update and install it. So please try this.